How's it going, guys? We're back with another product release today, and this is something that I just wanted to go ahead and make for the community to have an option, because I know a couple companies have been having difficulty keeping these in stock. So we made Plenum deletes here. So a lot of these things on the Plenum you can just get rid of, or if you're going to go ahead and do an aftermarket harness, of course you don't have anything to run those anymore, so we're going to go ahead and block them off. I'm actually running the Past Power Innovations kit. Right there is one, and then there's two on the other side. I'll go ahead and look at them in a little bit more detail in just a second here. But basically, this is just a kit to block off the idle air control valve. It's over here. And then on that side, we have a cold start idle up injector. It's an air injector. And then, of course, the EGR in the very back. So, this isn't anything revolutionary. It's been done before, but I went ahead and this is for the idle air control. This is for the cold start injector, and then this is for the EGR. These two are very similar, but this one is a little bit shorter and has bigger holes. That's what these bigger bolts are for. And so this kit comes with all the bolts you need. It also comes with an EGR block-off plug. So let's go ahead and hop over here. This one is pretty simple. You're just going to go ahead and pull it off, put it back on with the block-off plate and the 3 new bolts. I go ahead and recommend putting a black RCV gasket. You don't have to use any high-temp stuff or anything crazy. Just regular black gasket maker will work just fine on these. It's what I've been running for years, and I've had absolutely no issues. And then over on this side, this is the cold start idle up air injection right here. Pretty much just unbolt it and bolt it back in. With all these deletes, you have to figure out what you're blocking off. So if it's coming from the air intake, you're gonna have to plug that. But obviously, my car is not stock. I've got intercooler piping everywhere, so I didn't really have a lot of provisions for these in the first place. So if you're going this route, this just might be something you want to look into. And then finally, the exhaust gas recirculation, or EGR. It is this piece right here, and then of course the plug goes down there into the exhaust manifold, just to keep everything nice and sealed. So I just wanted to let you guys know these are available on the zgarage.net right now. I'm going to be trying to get a couple more projects online on the store for you guys that are hopefully going to be coming up soon. I've got like 15 things I'm working on at the same time, so hopefully I can get them done, and I think you guys will enjoy them just as much as I do. But if you have any questions or comments about these, definitely drop a comment down below, and if you have anything you want me to work on, go ahead and let me know as well, and I will see you guys later.